Hi, welcome to my channel. Even if you are familiar with Microsoft Excel, you might be surprised by the number and variety of keyboard shortcuts you can use to speed up your work and generally make things more convenient. Now, does anyone expect you to memorize all these keyboard shortcuts? Of course not. Everyone needs are different, so some will be useful to you than others. And even if you pick up a few new tricks, it's worth it. We have also tried to keep the list clean and simple, so go ahead and save it, that helps. Also, even though our list of shortcuts here is pretty long, it's by no means a complete list of every keyboard combo available in Excel. We have tried to keep it to the more generally useful shortcuts, and you will be happy to know that almost all of these shortcuts have been around for a long time, so they should be helpful no matter what version of Excel you are using. First, let's take a look at some general keyboard shortcuts. Moving around in a worksheet or cell. You can use keyboard shortcuts to easily navigate throughout your worksheet, within a cell, or throughout your entire workbook. Selecting cells and editing cells. Excel also provides some keyboard shortcuts for editing cells and selecting cells. Formatting cells. Are you ready to format some cells? These keyboard shortcuts make it easier. Alright guys, the more you use keyboard shortcuts, the easier they are to remember, and no one expects you to memorize all of them. Hopefully, you have found a few new ones you can use to make your life in Excel a little better. You can start help anytime by pressing F1 key. This opens a help and allows you to search for help on any topic to learn more. I hope you will enjoy and learn this video. Please subscribe and like my channel. Thanks for watching.